Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to create a cookie commercial ad inside After Effects with the AI tools. All the files are available in the description below, so feel free to check them out. And if you enjoy tutorial like this, make sure to subscribe. It really helps support the channel. Now without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the tutorial. Go to the 3dcontentation.com and upload your cookie image. I'm gonna use this one and click on this generate button. It will take few minutes to create your image to 3D file. So this is my 3D cookies and this is looking good to me. So download the GLB file for the next process. I have created these images in the ChatGPT. If you want like this, you can copy this prompt. And this AI video created in the Bond 2.2. So this is first video's prompt. We can copy this prompt. And this is second video's prompt. And this is third video's prompt. And if you want this prompt, you can copy this prompt from the description. So download these videos and go to the After Effects. After Effects, let's create a composition. So click on it and name it name. And keep the settings time 9020 by 1080 and duration 60 seconds and go to the 3D render and select this advanced 3D and hit OK. So I'm going to use this box packaging and this is my back and this is the front and left side, right side, and I'm gonna use all of them. So drag and drop into the After Effects. And file size is bigger, so press S and change the scale value to 49%. Now select entire packaging and move it to the right side. Select the left side packaging and move it to the left side. Same, select this right side packaging and move it to the right side. And select the top and move it up like this. And same, select the back side and move it to the left side like this. And select this bottom and move it down like this. Now we have to make the proper joint of this packaging carefully. Press Ctrl R to see the ruler. Move this left side ruler to the edge of the front packaging. Let's move it till here. You can zoom the as you can. And again here, let's add one more ruler. Okay. And here as well. And let's add here as well. Okay guys, so now if you hold shift and move it like this, it will snap. Okay, select this top one and hold shift and joint it like this. Now select this left side and hold shift and move it like this. Now select this one and move it like this. Now this part is ready. Now we have to make the parent all of them with different packaging. It should parent with this and this one with this one with this, and this one also with this. Okay, and this one with this. Alright, so this is the side view. If your parent is hidden, then right click column and click on this parent and link. So let's make the left side parent with the front. Same, right side parent with the front, and top will be also parent with the front, and bottom also will be parent with the front. And if you move this front side, you will see like this, everything is connected, but back side is not moving. So select this back and let's parent with this left side. Select the back packaging and parent with the left side. Alright, now if you move this, you will see everything is moving properly. Now we have to make all layer 3D, so select everything and click on it to make them 3D. And shrink layers. Now we have to move the anchor point. This left side packaging anchor point will go to the edge of the right side here. And this will go left side and it will go down and it will go up. Select this pan behind tool and move this anchor point to the right side of the edge. Alright, so you can zoom it so that you can move it carefully. Select this right side packaging and move the anchor point to the left side. Now select the top packaging and move it down the anchor point. Same, select this bottom packaging and move it up the anchor point like this. Now select this back packaging and move the anchor point to the right side. So let's move it here. So now all anchor points are properly set at their position. So select everything and press R and select this top packaging. And now we have to adjust the X rotation. So I'm going to make it minus 90 degree. Same, select this bottom packaging and make the X rotation value 90 degree. Now select the right side packaging and press R and adjust the Y rotation. So let's make the Y rotation minus 90 degree. Now select the left packaging and make the Y rotation value plus 90 degree. Now select the orbit tool, this one, and left click and move your cursor like this. Now select the back packaging. Now we have to rotate this as well. So let's make the Y rotation plus 90 degree. Select the orbit tool again and move it like this to the front angle. Now select all layers, Ctrl A to select all and shrink them. And select all layers, right click, recompose it and name it box and hit OK. Now we have to make this layer 3D, so click on this icon to make the layer 3D. After that, click on this star icon so that we can rotate this box in any position. Press R and adjust the X rotation and you will see like this box is 3D now. Select the pan behind tool and move this anchor point to the center. And change the camera angle and select the top camera angle and make this anchor point to the center from the top. And go back to the active camera. Now remove all of these lines. And select this box and press P and move it to the center. After that, select the box again and press S and make the scale value 90%. Now press R and we have to add the orientation keyframe. So go to the beginning, add an orientation keyframe in the beginning and Y rotation as well. Change the first orientation value to 26 and Y rotation 336. And go to the around 4.5 seconds and change the orientation value. So let's make it 332 and second Y rotation, let's make it 31 and your box should rotate something like this. Go to the end of the keyframe and you can adjust the orientation as you need. So I'm going to make it 352. After that, go to the around 9 seconds and change the orientation value 37 and Y rotation minus 344. Go to the end of the keyframe and I want to change the box rotation, so let's adjust the orientation value. So I'm gonna make it 20. Now shrink the layer. So let's add the cookies. So I'm gonna use these cookies and this one and drag and drop in the composition. And you will see like this pop-up screen. Just hit OK and move it to the left side. Press S and let's make it 34%. So we will use this expression to rotate these cookies. So select everything, Ctrl A to select all and Ctrl C to copy. Now select the cookies and press R and hold Alt and click on this orientation to add expression and Ctrl V to paste your expression here. So your cookies will rotate something like this. Alright. So now we will add one more expression. So select this cookies again and press P and hold Alt and click on it to add an expression. Now we will type wiggle open bracket 1, 25 close bracket. So it will float like this. So this is okay. Now select the cookie layer and Ctrl to duplicate and move it here. And again, control it to duplicate. Let's move this one here and control it to duplicate. This one go here, control it to duplicate. You just need to spread this entire composition and it will go here. And let's move this one here, and this should go here, and this should go here. Okay, and let's move this one here, and let's move this one here, and select control to duplicate, move this one here, something like this. All also, this is the front side of this, so go to the top view, change the camera angle, and let's move some front like this here, and this one should here, and let's move this one back, this one also here, this one should go here, and let's move this one here, and select control duplicate, and it will go to the here behind this one. Control it to duplicate, and let's move this one here, and control it to duplicate like this, and it will go here. So go back to the again front active camera. It will look like this. So we have to arrange them properly. So I would like to move it here. This one should go here, and this one here, and let's move this is here, this one should here. I'm going to the speed up the video. You just have to arrange all of these cookies inside the composition. So this is my entire placement. Also, if you are not satisfied with this, so select this one, press S, decrease the scale size if you want, and let's select this one and press S and decrease the scale size of this as well. Decrease the scale size of this, and I want to change the rotation, so press R, change the rotation of like this. So I wanna show it like here, and this one press R. Okay, so this one also go here. Let's move this in here and press S, decrease the scale size. Okay guys, let's play the animation and fit the screen. If you are rendering taking too much time, then change the resolution to quarter and play it again. So guys, your frame should move like this. This is looking really amazing, as you can see. So we will add a camera. So this is too bigger for me, so I'm gonna decrease the scale size of this, press S, let's make it smaller. Okay, so this should be rotate. So I'm going to add a camera, select all things and shrink it. Right click, new, add a camera, and I'm going to use 35mm camera and hit OK. Fit the screen. So this is our camera. So we will add a controller. So right click, new, add a null object and name it camera controller. Let's make this layer 3D also, and select this camera and make parent with the camera controller. Okay, so we have to go to the around here at 1.5 seconds and press P, add a position keyframe, and let's go to the beginning and move this value like this, something like this. Okay, fit the screen. Now I will change the resolution to full, and we have to make multiple copies of these cookies. Control it to duplicate, move it to here, left side. Let's control it to duplicate, move this here, control it to duplicate, move it up like this. So I'm going to speed up the video so you can see the process, how I'm doing. It's really easy guys, you can do it yourself. You just need to duplicate and spread them into the entire composition. Move it here, and this one control it to duplicate. Let's move this here, and this size is a little bigger, so I'm gonna decrease the scale size. So press S, let's make it smaller. So basically this is our entire setup. So this is looking good guys. Okay, now Control R to disable the ruler. Now double click on the rectangle to add a background. So guys, using a radial gradient, I hit OK, and this is my first color and this is my second color. Hit OK, and you will see like this handle and move it like this at the end. And let's name it background and shrink the layer. Now again select the rectangle, press Q to add a ellipse tool. So press Q multiple times, you will see like this circle. Now draw the circle like this, and let's change the fill to the normal field and hit OK. Select the shape layer and right click, recompose it, name it background glow, and make sure move all attributes should be checked and hit OK. After that, go to the effect preset panel and search glow and apply onto this background glow layer. Now make this glow threshold value to 0 and glow radius value 447 and glow intensity 2 and composite originals, let's make it none, and composite glows, let's make this as well none, and glow loops arbitrary map and loop, it should be like 30.5. It will look something like this. Okay, so we have to add the rotation on it like this. So we will add hold alt and expression time asterisk 50, and it should look like this, and change the mode value to the screen. It will look something like this, and press T, decrease the opacity of this as well. So I feel this is good to me. Select the camera controller, press U, go to the end of the keyframe and select the background glow and press S and increase the scale size. So I'm going to make it around 247 and add a keyframe and go to the beginning and decrease the scale value like this. Now I'm gonna select both of these and move it under all of these entire things like this. Alright guys, so we have to add one more thing here. So we will add environment light. I think we need to go out of the composition here, right click new, add the light and add this environment light and make sure cast shadow should be checked and hit OK. After that, let's fit this print, press R, and I'm going to make this Y value 2 and this second value 43. You can adjust the lighting as you need. If you adjust the rotation, you will see like this lighting direction is changing. I'm going to change this rotation value, so I'm going to make this X rotation 62 and Y rotation 43. You can see the difference. This is looking very good with the lighting. And I would like to end this screen here 9 seconds, and let's end this screen here and fit this screen. So this part is done. Now we have to do small changes. So I'm going to select this. First of all, I'm going to lock these two layers and select this and move it here and again fit this screen. So now animation part is completed and we have to compose AI videos with this animation. As you can see, this is our animation. So after that, I'm going to again and let's make the final, and it will be same settings 60 seconds and hit OK. I'm going to import this scene 1 AI video into the final comp. Now import the kid AI video into the same comp. After that, move this AI kid video to the right side, something like this. So let's move it to the at the 2 seconds. Now we will make a cut at the 3.5 seconds, so hold Ctrl Shift D to trim the layer. Now import this second AI animation into the final comp and move it under this scene 3 and move it to the at the 3.5 seconds, and this one should go right. So this is the sequence of our AI videos. So now at the end, we will add the box animation that we have created. So go to the around 7 seconds and drag and drop this main composition at the 7 seconds. So this cookies commercial ad is completed. So I'm going to make the render area at the 40 seconds. This is done. Thanks so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you got any question, drop them into the comment below. I will reading everyone and help you out. All the project files and assets are linked in the description, so feel free to grab them and follow along. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe and give it a like. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired.